Want to make quick and secure payments using your Samsung phone? Whether you're using the S23 Ultra or the S23 FE or even an older model like the S21, Samsung Wallet lets you tap and pay effortlessly with NFC. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use Samsung Wallet with NFC for contactless payments. Let's get started. So, before using the Samsung Wallet, NFC must be enabled on your phone. Here's how to do it. Open Settings on your Samsung phone, go to Connections and toggle on the NFC and contactless payments. That's it. Your phone is now ready to make contactless payments. Now, I'll show you how to add your NFC-enabled cards into your Samsung Wallet so that you can make payments using it. So first, open the Samsung Wallet app. Go to the All section and select Credit/Debit Card option. Now here you get 3 ways to add your card. The first and the easiest way is to simply position your card inside the frame as the screen suggests. It'll scan the card and add it to your Samsung Wallet. The second option is to simply add the card by tapping or using NFC. Just place the card like this and your phone will automatically add it to your wallet. However, not every card supports it. The third and the final option is to manually enter the card details on your Samsung Wallet. After that, you'll need to go through the terms of service and tap on Agree. Now, your bank may require an OTP for verification. So select whether you want to receive it on your linked mobile number or email ID. Enter the OTP, tap on Submit, and that's it. Now your card is added to your Samsung Wallet and your Samsung phone is ready to make NFC payments. You can also add multiple cards by going to the card section and tapping on this Add button.
Now that you know how to use Samsung Wallet, let's go ahead and make an NFC payment.
Unlock your phone, open Samsung Wallet. Now scan your fingerprint to unlock the card. Tap your phone on the payment terminal, wait for the check icon for payment confirmation, and you're done. Now, if you're experiencing issues like your card not adding to Samsung Wallet or Samsung Wallet not working, then make sure that NFC is turned on from the settings and that you have an active internet connection. Also, ensure that your card is verified in Samsung Wallet. You could also check with your bank that the card you're trying to add actually supports Samsung Pay, as some banks or cards do not support it. You can also try to restart your phone and try again. If a software glitch is causing this issue, then restarting your phone should fix it. And that's how you can use Samsung Wallet with NFC for fast and secure payments on your Galaxy phone, whether it's the Ultra or the FE or any other model. Have you used Samsung Wallet to make NFC payments? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped, then drop a like and subscribe for more cool tech tips, tutorials and gadget reviews, and I'll see you on the next one.